Ready to unlock the financial secrets of launching your own Amazon FBA wholesale empire? Let's dive into the real costs of starting an Amazon FBA wholesale business, so you can budget smart and launch strong. First, inventory. This is your biggest investment. Aim to start with at least $5,000 to $10,000 to purchase enough wholesale products to test the market and ensure you have stock. Next, factor in Amazon seller fees. An individual account costs $99 per item sold, but a professional account, which is almost essential for wholesale, costs $3,999 a month, plus referral fees that vary by product category, typically between 8% and 15%. Don't forget about labeling and packaging supplies. Budget around $200 to $500 for boxes, tape, bubble wrap, and labels. And if you're using a prep service to handle labeling and shipping to Amazon, expect to pay between $1 to $3 per item. This can add up depending on your volume. Shipping costs from your supplier to your prep service or directly to Amazon will also impact your bottom line. Factor in several $100s to thousands, depending on the size, weight, and distance of your shipments. And lastly, consider software and tools for product research, repricing, and inventory management. These can range from $50 to $300 per month. Budgeting wisely is key to surviving and thriving in the demanding world of Amazon FBA wholesale. So, plan, research, and prepare to conquer those costs.